Hi, my name is Anshita Singh. When I was completing my BBA graduation, it was the first thought it came to my mind that I should be preparing for MBA. My main motive to join MBAGuru was the adaptive prep they give us. So it was a great opportunity to come to MBAGuru. Beside other coachings, I think MBAGuru provides you a special attention somewhere. We can interact with our teachers continuously. It is just not about learning in the class. It is fun to learn in the class, I think. It was easy for me to cope up with the Quant section, and it helped me a lot in my CAT. My journey was smooth, if I say. It was smooth because of the teachers and the modules they gave us, and the classes, online also and offline also, and it was very smooth for me. Maths. Quants was my biggest weakness. Through adaptive prep given by the MBAGuru, it helped me a lot to cope up. I have improved a lot because of this. Adaptive prep was a great opportunity and my motive to come for MBAGuru because my quants was not that good. But with the help of modules, I have earned the basic level of maths and then went to a high level, which helped me cope with my all the silly mistakes and everything. Teachers, they have great teachers. And the adaptive prep and the way they handle students, nothing they do strictly or they are doing this, you do it. They will say and you will do it yourself only. No, because I was in MBAGuru and the teachers were very supportive and very motivating, so I didn't find it too hard for me to go through this. It was smooth, honestly speaking, because of the teachers and the environment they create. Even after class, they help you if I have any doubts or any questions. They help you in every situation.